Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to play the GTA 5 map on Assetto Corsa. First, you will need to prepare your Assetto Corsa installation. Begin by installing Content Manager, which acts as an alternative launcher and simplifies mod management. Next, ensure you have the Custom Shaders patch, specifically version 0.1.79 or a later release, as it is essential for many map features. Finally, install the SOL Weather mod to enhance your experience with dynamic lighting and weather. Once your core setup is ready, it's time to get the map itself. You'll need to find the GTA 5 map files from a trusted modding community or Patreon page. After downloading the map archive, simply drag and drop it into your Content Manager window. This will initiate an automatic installation process. Content Manager handles the file placement, making it a straightforward process to integrate the new track into your Assetto Corsa game. The GTA 5 map can be quite demanding, so optimizing your settings is key for a smooth experience. First, navigate to your Custom Shaders patch settings and disable Extra FX to gain some valuable frames per second. Next, in the CSB extensions configuration, consider setting the LOD-out value to around 160 or 200. This helps with rendering distance. For your first few drives, choose one of the default Kuno's cars, as they are generally well-optimized and less likely to cause performance bottlenecks. Even with optimizations, you might encounter some minor issues. It's best to start your driving sessions in practice mode through Content Manager, which often helps with initial map loading. Keep in mind that the GTA 5 map is a community project and might have unfinished sections or areas that do not render perfectly. After loading, give the game about 10 seconds to fully settle before you start driving to ensure everything is loaded and responsive, providing a much better experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.